overcoming your fitness fears in 60 seconds or less. So let's go. Up first, I don't have time for the gym. Of course you got time. You have time to scroll through that 60-second TikTok reel. Next up, I'm too young. You're never too young. Can't get to a gym? Your own body weight will force muscle to grow. Too old? No, you are not. Right now I'm seeing elderly people in my gym putting in some really great work. And as you get older, your joints need that extra care. And up next, I will be out of place. No, you will not. You are never out of place in the gym. If you think that people are looking at you, criticizing your form, you are wrong. More than anything, they will be appreciative that you are alongside them on this journey. So there you go, question your fears in 60 seconds or less.